Okay, so let's take a look at the answers. Number one, misguided most nearly means, well, if you plug it in, extra doesn't make any sense, but the other three sort of do. So the way you would solve this one is by looking at the pieces of the word itself. Misguided, the miss you'll recognize from other words, such as mistake and misunderstanding. It just means bad, or in this case, ill. So misguided is ill-advised. It's badly advised. It's a poorly thought-out decision. Curious and quick sort of make sense, but they're not as good choices. This one is tricky. The next one, oops, how about I fix that on the fly. Number two, so it's either going to be a present or a present, because those are your two options, or it's going to be some particular problem or a particular problem. And these, the some particular problem, you can tell as I try to articulate these words, that doesn't work. Some particular problem is like kind of awkward. So we can know it's either A or B. Is it presents or present? And the trick to figuring this out is to look at the sentence only for its essential pieces. What can you eliminate and still have it make sense? YouTube stars, we can actually eliminate everything between YouTube stars and this comma here. And that's actually going to give us a little bit of help. So YouTube stars, like Mr. Paul, known for pushing the envelope with outlandish behavior that would not be acceptable on all this stuff, is like window dressing. It's like extra, it makes it prettier, but it doesn't actually change the essential grammatical structure of the sentence. So top YouTube stars present a particular problem, because this word here, stars, is plural, and plural goes with present. And you wouldn't say stars presents a problem. YouTube stars presents a problem. That doesn't work. So the right answer is B. Condolences. The company had issued a statement saying it predicted gory violent videos on the platform, and it offered condolences to the family of the young man seen in the video. So the way that I would solve this, condolences, is it's going to be something it feels like it's nice. Like it's something that you would do that is nice based on what's going on in the sentence. YouTube offered the family of the young man seen in the video, and explanations, I just noticed I have extra here, as if both extras are definitely wrong. So it's not C. Explanations doesn't really cut it. Like after posting this video that showed the suicide victim, you wouldn't just like offer an explanation to the family. You'd either offer money, A, or D, sympathy. And in this case, the better answer is D, sympathy. That's what you offer people when something sad happens. All right, so in 3 to 5 sentences, summarize the article. Well, the article was about a video. The article was about YouTube's reaction to a video. So YouTube said that it was going to drop one of their stars, Logan Paul, from like a special advertising arrangement that it had with him because of a misguided video that he had posted about the suicide forest in Japan, where he showed a dead body. And in addition to explaining that, the summary should also include mention that YouTube has had some trouble dealing with controversial content of some of its people in the past. Those are sort of the main things that you would say to summarize. And describe the article's main idea, well, it's sort of similar to the summary, that the main idea is YouTube is doing something about one of its controversial videos and one of the producers of a controversial video by sort of punishing him. And they've done this before. PewDiePie was also punished. And as YouTube figures out what it wants to do, as it becomes more of a I think I'm starting to ramble, and this is getting away from the main idea. The main idea is that YouTube has punished Logan Paul, one of its controversial and popular stars, for an inappropriate video as it struggles to figure out how to deal with some of the controversial content that people post on it. One or two pieces of evidence, like quotes, well, most of the main idea stuff is going to come at the beginning or at the end, and both of these first and last paragraphs would serve as evidence for this. All right, that's it.